Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I'm going to be doing a swipe but a little different way. So I have a split base of dioxazine purple and black mixed normally with my Floetrol and watered thin. I have a video, it's number 10 if you want to go back and see how I mix all my paints. Okay, so colors I'll be using is a Playful Pink by Arteza. I'll also be using, in a minute, putting them down as I'm talking. I forgot I did this. Next, I'm going to be using Pearl by Deco Art. Okay, and I'm just laying them down like I normally do. And then I have a Gray Purple by Master's Touch. And that's a Hobby Lobby Paints. I just did a base color with this and it came out so nice. You'll see that in a minute. That is just a black granite color. It's a custom mix. So I put black, I put metallic black in it. So there's a couple different paints in that one. And then I have Very Blue Iridescent by Pebeo. And the next one is Dragon Fly, and it's a blue like color shift. These are really cool paints. It's actually a glaze. You can use it over top of something to give it a like shimmer. And they're by Deco, Folk Art, I think, Folk Art, okay? And then I have some metallic iridescent purple that is a custom mix that I make with iridescent medium and like a violet. I think it's probably Artisan Violet. I'm also going to be using Blick, and this is fluorescent purple. I love this color. This color looks so pretty in paintings. It's clogged. Okay. And do I use anything else? I can't remember. Oh, a little Payne's Gray. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not Payne's Gray. I'm going to be swiping with my black mixture. And that piece of paper is a alcohol ink paper. It's called Nara. And I just cut it up so I can use it to swipe. Well, it was a piece that I had used that I didn't like. So I'm going to be swiping with that and probably my palette knife as well. So I'm going to put some black down like right in the corner and then swipe with these little pieces of paper. So I'm going to let you finish watching with some music. And yeah, if this one came out really cool and it dried beautifully, so you'll see it at the end. And if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and comment. It would help me out a lot. And yeah, thanks for all your support, and I'll see you soon.